Hello. So, our connection question today is first, I want you to think, what are you most proud of in your paper sculpture? You could answer any of these questions or these statements. Maybe it's what is your favorite part? Maybe it's did you ever think you could make something like this? Or maybe I really like the way I did my blank. So, think about it. What are you most proud of in your paper sculpture? When you're ready to share out, give a thumbs up and we can pause the video to share. Next, we have our objective. So, our objective today is I will identify ways to create texture and apply the techniques in my art. And today, we're going to go over kind of the textures or folds that we need. So, this is a work day, as you know. So, just making sure to double check, do you have these things? Or maybe viewing somebody else's artwork, we realized that we could add something to this. So I'm asking you for this assignment to show two folding techniques, as well as to apply texture to your work. So in this, I have the bridge or the leg technique, and I actually have two of them here. I have a little rainbow bridge here, and then I made another one larger so it could look like the Eiffel Tower. I also did a tube technique where I rolled up a piece of paper and I cut the bottom with little legs so I could glue them down. And I also put these tree tops on them too. You've probably seen me do this in class where I cut a slit on each end and then I just slide paper into that slit. You'll notice there's texture on the trees, some swirls, some kind of fluffy cloud lines on there as well. So again, bridge, leg technique, as well as the tube technique. The next one that you might have is the wall technique or the accordion fold. So the wall technique is when you can make things stand up by cutting legs on the bottom of your paper and folding them into different directions. Again, I encourage you, if you are stuck, go back and watch some of those videos or go to the YouTube channel and look at those paper techniques if you need assistance. The accordion fold is something that we learned the first class, and that's just folding it like a fan. And I did that actually with the grass, and that looked pretty cool. So I liked that it had a different element to it. And then thinking, did you make textures for your paper sculpture? So adding some elements, whether it's in the grass, the background, if you want there to be a background, but thinking about how you can apply texture, whether um, it's actual texture or if it's a simulated. And then our checks for today are to create a space where you would like to visit. That's the assignment. You're going to use two paper folding techniques. Make sure that this artwork shows your best effort. If you want to go back in and edit some stuff, you can. And hopefully that you made something that brings you joy and pride. So you will post your work in the assignment L23